Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my everyday makeup routine. I like to start off with my skin glass. It's just some glow from within. Before I put on my foundation, I like to hydrate my skin and give it that glowing look. And then I like to go in with my primer. This is my Makeup Forever Step 1 primer. I'll have everything listed down below. If I don't mention something or forget to mention something, it'll all be down below. And if you want to know like which shade I'm in and everything, it'll be down below. So don't forget to check out the description box and also leave a comment while you're down there. So I'm going to start off with my foundation. I like to mix those two shades together. I'm kind of in between shades right now, so that's just what I like to do. And I like to just make a few lines on my face and put the foundation where I feel like I need it the most. I don't really put the foundation under my eyes because I go in with concealer, but I do like to put it around my mouth area. And then I use my beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, to buff it out. And then going with my concealer, I use the LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I like to put that under my eyes. Your girl has Gucci bags. You hear me? Prada, Gucci, everything. I have bags. So I like to, disguise my bags and just try to give it the illusion of them not being there. With my concealer. And I like to put it around my mouth because sometimes my mouth is the first thing to crease throughout the day. So just to give it that added coverage. And I also like to put a little bit on my eyes, like the excess concealer on my eyelids. You don't have to do that step. You can leave yours bare if you want. Next step is more concealer. I like to use this concealer just a few shades brighter just to brighten my under eye and give my face some dimension. Because after I brighten it, I will go and contour my face or like sculpt it a little bit. And this helps with the balance of my face and the shadows and the shades of my face. Next up, I like to set my face with some powder. I like to make sure I blow and tap off all of the excess because I don't really like that much powder under my eyes. Like a little goes a long way. You don't need that much. And then this is for creasing and things like that. So make sure you're putting powder under your eyes in all of the places that crease. Next up is bronzer, and I like to bronze my face. Girl, I hit pan. It's so good. You can find this product at your local like drugstore or whatever. And it's cheap. It's not that expensive. And I just like to bronze my face. Just to give it the dimensions and stuff that I was telling you about, like the shadows and everything. Like this helps with everything. And I like to just dust a little bit on my nose just to kind of lightly contour my nose. I'm not doing nothing major. It's an everyday look, so you don't have to go in that heavy with it. It's just your preference, though. So if you want to, you can. And then use that same bronzer and dust it on my eyelids. And also, I do that under my eyelids as well. So that same bronzer, I like to brush under my eyelids. My voice. Interrupting this tutorial to say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Join the family. Like and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next. Okay, bye. Next up, I like to use my MAC Press Powder. It's in the shade Dark. But I can't remember the name. Studio something. I'm gonna put it down below. But I like to use that to dust off the excess powder that I had on it. And also to set some areas that I didn't set with the powder. Because I don't use that Fit Me powder all over my face. But this is like an all over face powder for me. And like I said, I just dust everything off and set it. Next up is blush. And with my blush, I like to start in the apples of my cheeks and work my way back. So just from the front to the back and kind of drag it back. You don't need that much blush. But I love the way blush look. It just makes you look awake and rosy. And then next up, I'm using my Gilded Honey highlighter. You don't have to use highlighter. I love highlighter. It just makes the look pop. Because you can keep it the way it was, velvety. You don't need, a highlighter. But I like to use my highlighter. And I do it in between my eyes just to give it an awake look. Like I am awake. I am here. I'm ready. And then this is just the added step that I did just to further color my lids. Because I kind of thought it wasn't, dark enough. But this is just a wash. I'm doing like a wash of color on my lids. Next up is eyeliner. And I like to take my CoverGirl eyeliner. This eyeliner is very beginner friendly because of the felt tip. I think it's a felt tip. Yeah, it's a felt tip. And I like to just sculpt my eyes before I add my eyelashes and giving my eyes a little more definition. And boop, my lashes are on. Well, about to be. Voila. So good. If y'all want a lash tutorial, let me know in the comments and I'll show you guys how I apply my lashes. And this step is just if you don't want to put on mascara, you could just put eyeliner under your eyes and it'll look good. And then chapstick and you're good to go, girlfriend. Look at you. You look so nice. If you want a little more pizzazz to your look, you can add like a colored gloss or whatever. I like to use a pink gloss to kind of mimic my lip color, but a little better. And then boom. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.